powerful talaga ng kanilang tandem. And the first Herman Moreno Power Tandem for the year 2024 goes to Arby Fortesa and David Ticaco, Team Barca! Let's go!
Presenting the trophy, laying in bouquet from the BMPC are John Knight from the Herman Moreno Foundation, Eric Borromeo, and the Mayor of Bulungan, Lanao del Norte, Honorable Marcos Mama.
We're making people happy, and that's what we want to do. Secondly, I want to say thank you to GMA for believing in us. To Maria Clara Navarra, like what Barbie said, yung basically nagpanganak sa ating love team, tama? So thank you so much to Sparkle, and of course to you. Really, thank you. I have learned so much from you, and that's such amazing. Alam mo, like, ikaw yung love team ko. You are very patient and understanding, so really thank you. And yeah, hopefully magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming trabaho together. Yeah.
Siyempre, ang ating supporters, diba?
To the fans.
Yes, to the fans. Salamat po sa inyong paniniwala. And yung katulad ng sinabi ni David, to GMA and to Sparkle, maraming salamat po. Thank you!
Yes. Thank you to the fans.
Yes. Thank you po. Have a good night, everyone.